Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to apply column sparklines in Excel. So here I have a data sheet which is summer sale, shoes, bags, and some other data products. Now, if you want to apply the sparkline, we need to select the data first. Now go on the insert page, and now as you can see that the sparkline column, it has three types of sparklines. So let's go with the line one. Data range we have already selected. Now we have to select the location range. Okay. Okay, here we go. As you can see that okay, the line one has applied. Now if you want to change the color or style, you can just pick it up from here. And now if you want to do the other one, we will be selecting the data first. Now go on the insert page. We will do the column. Data range we have already selected. Location. Okay, here we go. Now we have already pasted the this one. Now let from here you can also change the data or style. Sorry. Now go on the insert page again. Location range. Select. Okay. Here we go. And as you can see that the uh, this win and loss has already pasted in here. And now uh, we have learned how to apply line, column, and win loss sparklines in Excel. So thank you guys for watching my video. I will be back with another video soon. And please do comment down below uh, if you have any doubt, and please do subscribe my channel and hit that like button. And thank you guys for watching my video.